So I'd like to start off the tips and tricks with something many people may have overlooked, which is next to your stash, there's a map on the wall that'll actually show you all the places and what you can get so that you know what to bring with you when you're going out to go mine or like for instance this one you need your herb, your tree, and your fishing. But yeah, so just so that you know what you need to bring with this herb and mining. But yeah, so it's a cool thing, especially right by your stash, so you can grab what you need to go and go out and do it. So I'm going to also say to stay up on all your daily rewards. This last chest for the week is like 10,000 gold, so it's worth doing these over and over. All of these are actually good, especially this transcendent weapon. You can take out a lot of stuff with it. So, very good to stay on top of your dailies. Also, you will want to go downstairs and try to do as many bounties as you can. Your bounties are from this guy next to the stairs. Yeah, and then you can get your bounty points, and then you can exchange your bounty points for other stuff. These you all need items also. But if you're lucky enough to get 500,000 bounty points, then you can get your roaring sand dragon. But there's only 10 of those, so good luck. Good luck to the people competing for that. I am not in this competition. A little trick to power level cooking. Check your resources and you buy some raw fish. If you're up on your weeklies, you'll get a lot of gold, so you can afford to just use some. So you can check your skills book and see which one gives you health. So the brawn trout and the harnvis hopper, and these guys give you energy if you happen to need that. But they're great to use these to power level in the beginning, and they're pretty cheap fish. So I'll buy little bulks of them. 14 gold a piece. That's not too bad for either or. I think I bought like 100 of them and just leveled. So yeah, not only will you power level cooking, but you'll also have plenty of health regeneration items. So it's very good to have in this game. So this is actually what I wanted to show. So you got this bomb you can use on these. Make sure you get out of the way. But I actually bring one of those with for every time I run into one of these pits, just in case you get that. And there's the tavern raffle for rare blockchain item. It's a key. I'm gonna get 10 more tickets. Why not? Any extra ones for this go right into your storage.